0 to Professional English Course, a creation of Habib Riyaz.
Role play for English speaking and understanding.
Role play 16. Discussion at pharmacy shop.
Amjad and Ali are friends. Amjad is sick and he is passing through Ali's house. Ali sees him and they talk as follows.
Hey brother Amjad, how are you?
Hi, my health is not okay today.
What happened, my brother?
Not too much, I just have a slight fever and I want to buy some medicine for it.
May you get a quick recovery. Do you just want to buy medicine or do you want to see a doctor also?
No, I just have to buy medicine for now and nothing.
Okay, but please buy the medicine from the nearest shop and do not go so far.
Okay. Tell me where is the nearest medical store here?
Go straight from here, then after walking 300 meters, turn left. There you will see the shop near the bank.
Okay, when does this medical store open?
I think at 9:30 a.m.
Amjad reaches the pharmacy and talks with the pharmacist as follows.
Hello, brother. My health is not okay today. That is why I have come to your shop to buy some medicines. Can you recommend me any medicine for fever?
Could you please wait for your turn in the line?
Okay, sure, but I have a question.
Yes, please.
Do you also give the medicine without a medical prescription?
Yes, sometimes, but not for serious illnesses.
Well then, I just want medicine for a mild fever.
Since how long do you have this fever?
Not since so many days, just since last night.
Well, no problem. I'll give you paracetamol.
Okay. Tell me when I will take this medicine.
Take 1 pill after eating dinner, and then 1 pill tomorrow morning.
Do I have to come back to you again?
First take the pills for 2 days. If the fever does not go away, then go to the doctor.
Okay, I'll see, but I hope this medicine will work.
For sure, if Allah wills.
Insha'Allah.
For a better experience of the course, you should buy our book, Golden English, Intermediate Level 2, 0 to Professional English Guide, a golden gift for English learners.
What is inside the book?
This book is very beneficial for intermediate level students. It contains part of speech, auxiliary verbs or modals, some additional structure of English sentences, 20 stories for Urdu to English practice, direct and indirect, 20 lessons for English text reading and understanding, 35 lessons for English speaking practice, and many more things.
I am sure that my book, Golden English, would be a perfect need for English learners, as this will serve as a complete guide to improve their English skills, starting from zero knowledge to advanced levels. Especially translation, English text understanding, and speaking skills, whether starting from zero knowledge to advanced levels. Error is human nature, so if you notice any mistakes in the book, please do not hesitate to inform me. I would be grateful for this act of kindness.
If you like, you may share this course with your friends and relatives.
To stay updated about our courses and opportunities, please follow us on the links given below in the description.